Hello and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Moga Dishes. Today we are going to be making a delicious side dish. You're going to want to start by chopping up 3 potatoes and letting them boil until they become soft. Then you're going to mash them and add a tablespoon of black pepper. Then you're going to add 1 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of yeast, and 1 large egg into a bowl. Whisk and let it sit for around 5 minutes. Then grab 2½ cups of all-purpose flour. Once the flour is partially mixed, you're going to want to add 1 cup of melted ghee butter. Once you see that the dough looks like this, you're going to cover it and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. Now I'm sectioning the dough into 2 pieces. I'm covering it with flour and rolling it flat. Now I'm letting the dough sit on a pan lined with parchment paper and I'm adding the black pepper and potato mixture. Now I'm adding cheese on top. You could use whatever cheese you'd like. Then I cover it with the other flattened piece of dough. And now I'm coating it with butter. And now I'm slightly pressing onto it so that all the air bubbles can leave. Then I put it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes. And then this is how it should turn out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.
Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to make it thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Bye! فخر مسجدنا ابن عوف مجمع